Hi, just wanted to show you the completed home gym. We just assembled it. Got a lot of leftover boxes, especially downstairs, but yeah, here it is. Here is the complete home gym. We've got the Nordic GHD machine, which I've had for a few weeks now. It's from Australian company Freak Athlete, but it's actually a Nordic GHD. A GHD is a glute hamstring developer, although it does a lot more than that because it's got, if you don't know, it has lots of levery things which you can adjust to all different angles. So it can incline, decline, and go up, and it can go like, really high up. So yeah, glute and hamstring and all sorts of stuff like that. But this is the one that we just assembled today. Took us most of the day. And yeah, probably 4 hours, something like 4 solid hours to assemble this. And Mrs. E Vlog was doing the instructions. And myself and Sagan were doing the bolt-in. But yeah, it's got everything. I really like it. It's got the reason we specifically got this one is because it has a leg press. Very few of them have a leg press, or if they do, they're like side attachments over here, which aren't that great. So yeah, we wanted, so this one has the incline, the inline leg press like this. There was another one that had the leg like you face the other direction, and then the whole platform moves like that. It didn't look that great, but this one, I absolutely love it. So we've got lat pull down, we've got chest presses. We can adjust this. Yeah, there it is there. So this arm completely swings back out of the way, and then we've got we can do chest flies as well with the handles. So these all adjust. So the angle of that bar adjusts down like that. So you can change the angle of your chest flies and stuff. And there's a ton of pulleys on this thing. It's really, I don't know how many pulleys total, but yeah, we got it together, assembled, and we've got an upright row as well, and a like bicep curl or upright row. It's fantastic. Weight stack, 72 kilos total. It's not labeled though. I'm going to have to add like labels on there. And a preacher bench that's just to sit in there, like to hold it in place. But you can take off the foot press here, and you replace that with the preacher curl bench. It's got leg extension. Yeah. Oh, and it's got also a cable as well. So yeah, you can do like overhead extensions and stuff like that. So it's a really great home gym. Highly recommended, by the way. What's the model number on this thing? Where's the instructions gone? They're gone somewhere. I don't know. I'll leave it in the comments down below, but or the description, the video. But there you go. That is our completed home gym. Very impressed. No, I'm not giving up my gym subscription. I will be going to the gym. But yeah, I can just do 20-minute exercise per day or something, just for a different body part at home, which I often don't have time, because when I'm going to the real gym, I'm doing I'm doing a class. I'm doing a body pump class. I'm doing a grid class or whatever it is. And yeah, I usually just do that for my hour, and then I head back to the office. So yeah, this is great. So Mrs. E Vlog is going to use this because she's a home gym person. And Sagan, of course, is getting old enough to start doing weights and stuff. So we need a good dumbbell set as well. So, but anyway, yeah, we've got the double floor mats down here. We've got the thick recycled tire car rubber on the bottom, and then just those janky little tiles on the bottom. But there you go. It's absolutely great home gym. I love this machine. It's fantastic. It's the most versatile machine that I've seen in a small, compact footprint like this. So it doesn't take up much room at all. So yeah, very impressed. That is the home gym. Thoughts and comments down below. Catch you next time.